Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing my lunch meal prepping for the week, but I am also announcing the giveaway winner from my video last Saturday. I asked you guys to like, comment, and share last week's video for your chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card. So I have all of the names of people that commented on that video. I have them in an app on my computer. So while I'm cooking all this, I'm gonna have that pick a random person to give that $50 gift card to. So I'm gonna get everything all cooked up and ready for lunch this week. I will announce that winner very shortly. It was so fun reading all of your comments on my video, and I just really appreciate all of your support. On 5,000 subscribers, I really was just blown away by all of the great comments, all the congratulations that were given. So thank you all so much. You all mean the world to me. So I'm gonna get this lunch all made up for the week. I'm going to be doing some Southwest style stuffed peppers. They are really awesome for lunch meal prep. They're also really great dinner to have as well. And when I make these for dinner, I love to just have them all ready to go, and then when it's dinner time, I can put the whole dish in the oven and I can finish cooking them. So awesome meal prep because they last really great all week, and a really awesome dinner as well if you're looking for some dinner ideas. If you're new to my channel and you need some dinner motivation, some meal prep motivation, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. Tons of cooking motivation coming your way. So let's get these stuffed peppers all made up. All right, I have a few different colors. I've got some orange, yellow, green. Orange is actually my favorite color of bell pepper, nice and sweet. But I have all of these different colors to make this nice and colorful and mix and match them up for each day. So I'm going to use my melon baller to scoop out everything from the center of the bell pepper. You can use a spoon, but I love a melon baller because it's nice and sharp and it's really easy to just scoop everything out. So once all the peppers are all cleaned, I already washed them as well. But once they're all cleaned out, I am going to add them all to my Pyrex dish. I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees. So I'm going to brush these with olive oil. You can also add in some salt and pepper, some seasonings if you'd like. But I'm just going to brush them with olive oil, and I'm going to put these in the oven, like I said, at 350 for about 20 minutes. And while they cook, I'm going to prepare the filling to stuff inside of these, and then I'll cook them again a second time to make all the flavors nice and combined into the peppers. So like I mentioned, bell peppers are so awesome for meal prepping. They stay really delicious all week long and really great dinner also. So I use ground turkey. You can definitely use ground beef. I just love ground turkey because it's so nice and lean, and it's just lower in grease, which I love. So I'm just going to mash it with my little meat masher. I love this little gadget. I've had it forever, but it's really awesome when cooking ground turkey or ground beef. So I'm just going to brown all of the ground turkey up until it's cooked all the way through. So now that the ground turkey is all cooked, so I'm going to kind of push it to one side, and I'm going to get all of any grease that there is onto the side, and I'm going to use a paper towel to soak up that grease. And I actually learned this trick from a YouTube friend of mine, and I used to just pour the grease into the sink, but this way is so easy, and then it gets on a towel and you can just toss the towel away. So definitely a super easy way to get all that grease out from ground beef or ground turkey. So now that that's done, I'm going to add in my rotel, and this is with diced green chilies, which I love. I love diced green chilies. They give such an awesome flavor. I have the Southwest Blend frozen mix. So I'm going to use 1 cup of this, and I'm going to mix all of this together, give it a stir.
And then once it's all mixed, I'm also going to add in a little bit of taco seasoning. So you can do taco seasoning or even fajita seasoning as well. They're similar, but you can add those seasonings in. I'm going to let this cook for a couple more minutes once it has the seasoning in it. And then when the peppers are all done, I will pull them out and add in this stuffing.
Okay, so my pepper's cooked for about 20 minutes and I have my filling mixture all ready to go. So I will add this in and then I'm gonna top it with some shredded, I have a Fiesta blend cheese, so good. So I'm gonna fill these up. So I got a little messy with the filling and the cheese, but that's okay because I wanted to load up as much as I could in these because they're so yummy. So I'm going to put this back in the oven now for another 15 minutes and then they will be ready to go. Okay, you guys, so the peppers are cooking. So I just went to my computer to do the automated generate the winner, and it is Tina Oregon 1144. So thank you for your comment, Tina. It was so fun doing this giveaway. Send me an email, Tina. I will reach out to you as well. molly.purcell.contact at gmail.com. So I will get you that $50 Amazon gift card. This was so fun. I think I should do another giveaway soon because I really just like celebrating the milestones. I like getting you guys involved and I really appreciate all of your support. So I hope that you know how much you all mean to me. So I think we should definitely do another giveaway soon. So congratulations, Tina. So excited to send you this gift card. And I'm going to now wait for these peppers to cook. I'll portion them out into my meal prep containers and then lunch will be all set for the week. Okay, so the peppers are all done. I'm going to portion them into my meal prep containers. And like I mentioned earlier, stuffed peppers are such a good make-ahead meal prep. They just stay good all week. This is a really awesome dinner also. So I hope that you make these because I love them. And trying to make super healthy stuff right now with Christmas, like here basically, lots of extra functions going on, so lots of extra eating. So definitely trying to keep these lunches as healthy as I can. And delicious too, of course. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here for my lunch meal prep for this week. Congratulations again, Tina, winning that gift card from last week's video to celebrate my 5,000 subscribers. Really appreciate all of you guys so much. Hope that you have a really wonderful Christmas. I will be thinking of you all and wishing you all the best and a happy new year as well coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Leave me a comment. Just to say hi if you want to. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.